Okay, today we're going to visit a Thai buffet in the city of Udon Thani, Thailand. This is buffet style, so you have your seafood, various shellfish, squid, and assorted meats. Today we have pork. You also find your mushrooms, various vegetables, both mild and spicy sauces, assortment of available fruits, also candies and toppings. They even have ice cream. Also my favorite part, the mega beer dispenser that's brought to your table. There's a various amount of utensils for eating. It's basically help yourself. This is buffet style. Hot coals are prepared by your waiter and brought to your table for cooking. Each cooking is done in individual units. Heating elements will vary depending on the restaurant you go to. This is the style we're using here. As you see, the cooking is done at your table. This one is set up for grilling shrimp. There is also an adapter for you can cook your liquid items as far as your vegetables and cabbage, and for some call it tom yum, which is a soup. As in any Thai barbecue situation, you are the chef and you can cook to taste. This is great for a family night out. In large groups is perfect. It's a great deal if you're in Thailand. For a group of 12, it only costs approximately $91 US. That's less than 10 bucks per person. We're talking about Thai food, guys. Soi Nong Bua is located in Udon Thani, Thailand.